How to secure yard gates. An unsecured yard gate can pose problems for your yard. Children can push through the gate and leave the safety of your yard. Wind can pull the gate off its hinges and cause damage to your fence, and unwanted visitors can have easy access to a yard with a faulty gate. To make your yard safer and more secure, you should follow some simple steps to secure your gate. Things you'll need: self-closing gate hinges, locking gate latch, drop rod, screwdriver or power drill. Replace your standard gate hinges with self-closing gate hinges, available at most home improvement stores or fence suppliers. Use a screwdriver or a power drill to remove the old hinges. Attach the new hinges to the fence post first, then attach the gate. Try to reuse or cover the holes left by the screws of the old hinges. Follow the manufacturer instructions for your new hinges for attaching and adjusting the self-closing mechanism. Replace your standard gate latch with a latch that you can lock. Use a screwdriver or power drill to remove the old latch. Attach the new latch and again try to cover the holes left by the screws of the old latch. Use a latch with a key lock for the best security. Install a drop rod at the bottom of your gate. Screw in the rod near the bottom of your gate at a height where, 1, the rod will be able to press into the ground and secure your gate, and 2, when you lift the rod, it will be able to lift high enough to allow your gate to open. It may take some trial and error before you get the drop rod at the perfect height for your gate. Once it's in the right spot, screw it in securely to the face of your gate. Drop rods secure the bottom of your gate into the ground to prevent it from swinging when the gate is closed. They protect your gate from blowing off in high wind and keep children from pushing through the bottom of taller gates.